McDonald's is giving away free food, Will. You didn't even know about that, did you?
Really?
You didn't know about that.
No, I didn't.
They are giving away everything from cheeseburgers to coffee. It's all in preparation of Christmas celebration, all the way up to Christmas Eve, in fact. And all you got to do is use the app, the McDonald's app. Have you ever used it?
Well, I was using it today. I didn't get any free food.
Okay, this might be a U.S. only deal. I don't know. But, or it might have just started. But anyway, you use the app, and it's all kinds of different free things depending on the day to celebrate Christmas. And it's inspired by many Christmas characters, including Frosty the Snowman, Buddy the Elf, the Grinch, and even Seinfeld's Frank Costanza. So you have
a random twist.
A random twist. It's a Festivus freebie to celebrate him. He did die. The actor died recently, so I think maybe it's a tribute.
Oh, I see.
Ben Stiller's dad. What's his first name? Frank? No. Frank might have been. Oh, Frank is his name in the show.
Oh.
It's Ben Stiller's dad. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Yeah. Frank, not Frank Stiller. What the heck is his name? Jerry Stiller. There we go. My bad. Frank Costanza was played by Jerry Stiller. Rest in peace, Jerry Stiller. And you can celebrate Festivus in memory of him on December 23rd. But anyway, each one comes with a special deal to celebrate each of these characters. I'll tell you what they are, these deals. December 14th, celebrate Christmas Vacation, the movie. You get a free double cheeseburger.
Oh.
December 15th, The Abominable Snow Monster is a free Big Mac. The Grinch is December 16th for an Egg McMuffin.
Oh.
December 17th, you celebrate John McClane, which is a free McDouble. Do you know who John McClane is?
Oh, yeah. Die Hard.
Die Hard. The Christmas movie people forget is a Christmas movie. Celebrate Rudolph with a medium fry on the 18th. Gizmo. I don't know who's Gizmo.
Oh, from Gremlins.
From Gremlins, that's right. You get 6-piece chicken nuggets on the 19th. Buddy the Elf, pancakes on the 20th. Scrooge, you get a hot or iced coffee on the 21st. Frosty the Snowman, 22nd, will give you any size McFlurry. And for the Frank Costanza Festivus, you would get a free bakery item, apple fritter, cinnamon roll, blueberry muffin, etc. And then on Christmas Eve, you get a 2-pack or 3-pack chocolate chip cookie for Santa. Now, this sounds super easy to partake. All you got to do is open the app and buy anything. You got to spend $1.
Oh.
All you do is spend $1 on the app, and on any of those days, you get that item for free.
That's a great deal.
Yeah.
Free items.
Do you know McDonald's
$1.
is getting innovative with the marketing? They did the what was it?
Travis Scott.
They did the Travis Scott.
Yeah.
And then they did some other celebrity that I heard about. It was in South America or something.
Yeah.
I don't want to call him some other celebrity. He's probably a megastar in a different region. J Balvin is his name.
Oh, yeah.
Where is he huge? He's probably huge here too, and I'm just not cool enough. But
J Balvin.
Anyway, they did these collabs, and now they're collabing with all the Colombian. He's a Colombian singer. My bad. Now they're collabing with the icons of winter on each day to do some innovative marketing. So whatever, have at it, go for it.